Here's how to fix missing media in Adobe Premiere Pro. This issue happens when Premiere Pro can't locate your media files because they've been moved, renamed, or their original folder was modified. Let's walk through the steps to resolve it. First, when you open your project and see the Missing Media warning, Premiere Pro will display a list of the files it can't find. Take a moment to check the file names and their previous location listed in the panel. This information is crucial for figuring out what might have changed. If the issue is caused by renaming the file, locate the folder where the media was originally stored. Compare the file name in the folder to what Premiere Pro expects. For example, if the file name was 0203-2 and in the folder it's 0203-1, simply rename the file in your folder to match the original name shown in Premiere Pro. Once that's done, the error should resolve automatically when you reopen the project. If the issue happened because the file or folder was moved, here's what to do. In Premiere Pro, you'll see a Locate button next to the missing media in the list. Before clicking it, uncheck the box that says Use Media Browser to locate files. This gives you more control over the process. Now, click the Locate button. A File Explorer window will open. Navigate to the current location of the missing file. Once you find it, press Search. Premiere Pro will reconnect the media. If multiple files are in the same folder, Premiere Pro will often detect them automatically once you locate the first one. Once all your files are reconnected, save your project. Going forward, try to keep your media files organized in a dedicated project folder and avoid renaming or moving them after importing them into Premiere Pro. This practice can save a lot of troubleshooting time.